In this video, we're going to show you how to add course content and assignment in your Moodle course. So log into your Moodle course, teachmoodle.coastal.edu, log in, and last time we built some elements here, announcements, discussion boards. So today I'm going to add let's say, some hyperlinks in the course. So first, go to the corner, the wheel, turn the editing on. Then you go to add an activity or resource. Click on it. There's a number of ways to add a hyperlink. My favorite way is to scroll down a little bit, use label. So select label, click on add, and give me adding a new label. So I'm gonna course Weebly URL. So then I'm going to do a highlight. I'm going to click on the link here, hyperlink here. And so I'm going to go back to my Weebly course. Let's say I'm going to use this EDIT 650 as an example. So I'm going to highlight the URL, copy, then go back to my construction site here, enter the URL here, then I paste the URL, edit650.weebly.com. Then I can check this, open new window. That means the trainee or students click on the link, they will open new window. So I click on create link, and I just made a hyperlink. You can tell the font color changed. Then I click on save and return course. And you notice I add a label here. So whenever the students or trainee mouse over, it's going to be hyperlinked. They click on it, they will go to my Weebly course. All right, let's go back to Weebly. So this is a hyperlink. So next, I'm going to add a course assignment. Before I do that, I notice there's add topics here. So I'm going to divide my Noodle course by weeks. So I'm going to use topics. So click on add topics. So let's say I'm going to do a 7 weeks session, right? So add topics, and a batch upload or created 7 weeks. So I'm going to make some changes. Instead of topic 1, I'm going to say week 1, enter. Then week 2, enter, so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm not going to do the rest. So actually for week 1, I'm going to specifically tell my students the time frame. All right, so this way they have some idea. Week 1 is from June 1st to June 8th. I'm just use this as an example, okay? So the course date may not be accurate. So June 9th to June 16th, right? Enter. So I just changed into 2 weeks. So on the week 1, so on and so forth, you can finish the rest, okay? So for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to add a course assignment on the week 1. So on the week 1, I can have several elements here. So notice on the week 1, I have add an activity or resource link here. So I'll click on it. So I'm going to choose the first one, add assignment. So assignment, sometimes in other learning management system, can be also called assignment Dropbox. So I'm going to say name it as a paper 1, right? So I'm asking my students to submit a paper on week 1. Instructions, you copy paste right here. For the availability, make sure it's very important. Make sure you have the right dates. So it sounds like my week 1 starting from June 1st to June 8th, right? So I'm gonna do that, and then remind me to grade by, let's say, June 9th. Okay, so this way students know exactly the due date. You scroll down a little bit. Submission types, most of it you can keep it as it is, and sometimes you can allow them to copy paste online content, but this is always allowed because they can submit Word document or PDF. And but most of it should be fine. The maximum number of uploaded files, 20 can be a little bit too much. So how about let's do 3, all right? And on the submission, depends on your the assignment instruction. You can make some modifications right here. But I'm going to leave as it is. On the now Turnitin plagiarism is very important, and since it's a paperwork, you may want to enable Turnitin. So if you want to enable it, just enable it. Then you have some other settings that you can check on, but the most key button here is enable Turnitin. So Turnitin will generate a percentage grade for the paper. All right, so go to grade. Grade here, either by point or by scale. So by default, it's going to be by point. So you may not want 100. So let's, how about change to 10? Then when you are all done, then click on save and return to course. So you just add a paper assignment on the week 1. So you can do other things for week 2, week 3. So this video will just show you how to add a hyperlink and assignment in your Moodle course.